How to remove YouTube Shorts from the YouTube app. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to remove YouTube Shorts from your YouTube app. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the YouTube app. Perfectly, now when you're on the YouTube app, and let's say that you actually want to remove your YouTube Shorts shelf like completely, then basically what you need to do firstly is to just scroll down and find the YouTube short shelves on your YouTube app basically. So mine is in here, as you can see, and there's a bunch of YouTube Shorts in here as well. So what we need to do to remove them is to actually firstly we need to click on the three dots in the top right corner in the YouTube Short basically. So click on the three dots. Perfectly. Now we need to click where it says not interested. Perfectly, and I need to do this actually for all of these shorts right here. So keep watching because I will show you why we need to do this. So I'm going to click not interested for this one. Not interested. Just a moment, and this should be the last one here. Perfectly. As you can see, I just removed all of them right here. So I'm just going to go back and just restart this one. Perfectly. As you can see, all of them are actually gone right now. As you can see, I can just scroll and scroll and scroll, and yeah, nothing is there. So basically that is exactly how you can do it. And you can see that right now I have actually removed the YouTube Shorts shelf completely from my YouTube app. So yeah, as you can see, this actually works really well. So this is exactly how to do so. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.